So I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Hatch Rest Plus. So this is a cool little device that you can use to wake your kid up in the morning, to play soothing sounds in their nursery or in their room. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the box here, and we can take a look at what is inside here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And we've got the top open. You can see you've got this, this nice inner box. It's got some little graphics of resting babies and musical notes and things indicating, what you're going to use this device for. Let's pop this open next and we'll see what's inside. So first we've got this Hatch little brochure here. We've got some information on how to connect this up to your phone, so you have app control, and then we've got the actual device in here that's wrapped up in some tissue paper. So kind of a cool design there. Let's pop this out and see exactly what we've got. So here's the actual device. It's very kind of organic looking. It's got these smooth lines, and when it lights up, the light is going to kind of shine in this diffuse way. And again, you can set the light to come on at different times. You can set soothing colors, and it's got the speaker on the top here where we can actually play those sounds and music and things through there to create that kind of nice ambiance. So cool there, and let's see what else is inside of the package here. The only thing we've got in the bottom is this power cord that's going to plug into the back of the Hatch, so you can plug this into the wall. And here it is. This is what it looks like when it's all set up. I'll put the box off to the side here, and then we would just connect this up to our phone, and we could do all of that control, and we can actually use this to wake your kid up in the morning, to play soothing sounds, to have soothing lights in their nursery or their room. So that's the Hatch Rest Plus.